Hello everyone, welcome to this English Idioms playlist. My name is Bassant and I'm really happy to have you here. If you have ever watched a movie or talked to a native speaker and thought, wait, what does that even mean? Then you are in the right place. In this playlist, we are going to break down the most common English idioms in a simple, clear and fun way, with real life examples you can actually use. You will learn how to understand idioms, use them naturally, and sound more confident when you speak English. Remember, idioms aren't translated word by word. Once you get them, your English level jumps instantly. So get ready, grab a notebook if you want, and let's jump into today's idioms. Let's start with the first idiom of today. It's a dime a dozen. What does it mean? It means that something is common. We don't find something everywhere. We call it a dime a dozen. When it's common, usual, normal, not surprising me, not embarrassing me, so we call it a dime a dozen. Let's take some examples on that. Fake design bags are a dime a dozen in that market. We don't find those bags everywhere. When we think that they are normal, common, we call them a dime a dozen. Example number 2. Basic computer skills are a dime a dozen these days. Like us, students at Faculty of Computer Science must have basic computer skills. So it's a normal thing. It's a usual thing. It's a dime a dozen. Example number 3. Online certificates are a dime a dozen nowadays. So easily you can get a certificate through online courses. I hope you got it. Let's come to the second idiom of today. It's call it a day. It means that you can stop working on something. You can stop working on something. Okay, let's take some examples. We have been studying for hours. Let's call it a day. Suppose you and your friends are studying and you became so tired, okay? So you are telling yourselves, let's take a break. Let's stop for a while, take a break, eat anything, drink anything. Let's call it a day. Let's stop working on this thing and complete it later on. This is what does it mean. So it means that we can stop studying now and complete it later on. Maybe after a while, maybe tomorrow. Okay? Let's take example number 2. After fixing the main bugs, the developers called it a day. When you are doing something and stop it for doing something else, or stop doing it at all, so you call it a day. The developers called it a day. Example number 3. Let's call it a day and continue tomorrow. Let's stop doing this thing now and continue tomorrow. I hope you got it. So again, idiom number 1. A dime a dozen. When you find something everywhere, a common, a normal thing, a usual thing, a thing that not surprising you, you can call it a dime a dozen. Idiom number 2, call it a day. You stop doing something to do something else or to have a break, to eat anything. Okay? Let's come to the third idiom with us today. On the ball. What does it mean? It means that someone is doing a good job. Let's take some examples. Number 1, she's really on the ball at work. It means that she is brilliant, she is smart, perfect at doing his job or her job. Okay? She is really on the ball. She is really brilliant. She works hard. She is doing her job greatly. You need to be on the ball to succeed in this job. It means that you need to be a perfect, professional, brilliant. You need to work so hard to succeed in this job. You need to do your job greatly in a good way to succeed in this job. This means on the ball. You are doing a good job. Example number 3. Our teacher is always on the ball and notices every mistake. It means that the teacher is doing his job greatly. Notices every mistake. She is so accurate. She is on the ball. Okay, to summarize, for example, when someone tells you that they can ride a bike, you can tell them, yeah, it's a dime a dozen. Or you can tell them, it's a normal thing. And there are many people can do that. Okay? And when you tell your friend that you became so exhausted because of studying, they can tell you, call it a day and take a break. And when your father finds you studying and tells that you are on the ball, it means that he is encouraging you and telling you that you are doing a good job. Okay? I hope it's clear now. كده دول الإيديومز اللي كنت حابة أتكلم عنهم الفيديو ده، لكن حابة أعمل فكرة مختلفة وما نبقاش بنتعلم لغة وخلاص. في المحتوى اللي أنا بقدمه فكرت إن كل فيديو نجيب حديث من كلام سيد المرسلين صلى الله عليه وسلم ونقرأه مع بعض ونقتدي بسنة الحبيب المصطفى لنرى البركة كلها والخير. فنبدأ بأول حديث وهو من كتاب الأدب للبخاري. كل الحديث اللي هنجيبها هتبقى للبخاري وهي أحاديث صحيحة لا قول فيها. بسم الله، نبدأ مع أول حديث. باب الرفق في الأمر كله. عن عائشة رضي الله عنها قالت: قال النبي صلى الله عليه وسلم: إن الله يحب الرفق في الأمر كله. يعني خلاصة القول: كن رفيقا. اللهم صل وسلم وزد وبارك على المبعوث رحمة للعالمين. بس كده. That's all about today's idioms. Thanks for listening, thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.